PLUG stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is PLUG stock a buy? This is going to be my exact play for this video. You know, I'm the only one in this space, in this world, that has done 43,000 videos like this and documented them all. Plus showing you what's actually working and making money. It's all on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, especially Plug Power. I'm just still looking to take it further up. It's that the last 3 trades that I took, this was a loss, then I got 2 wins with the proof of both. Here's the first one. Damage on wins, great, you know, it's 114, took it to like above 150. And then how I'm looking to take advantage of this is very simple, the same way as before. I'm not buying unless there is a confirmation here, and if there is, then GG, you know, that's great. Then I'm looking to take it further up. And there isn't like not a lack of coverage on with PLUG. There's a lot of videos, I mean, 35 results in the Discord section, so really not a little amount. So I'll definitely keep you updated, just still waiting for rules. And if you want to stay tuned and want to get free emails, money making emails and insights, and stay tuned with Plug Power, click the first link in the description, it's free.